I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini happy. To truly connect with a Gemini, understand their core need for mental stimulation and constant change. They are naturally curious and thrive on new information and diverse experiences. Offer them engaging conversations and introduce them to novel ideas. Avoid predictability, as routine can quickly lead to boredom for this dynamic sign. Embrace their lively spirit and desire for intellectual adventure to foster a joyful connection. Communication is paramount when interacting with a Gemini. They are the Zodiac's natural communicators and love a good chat. Engage them in lively discussions about various topics, from current events to philosophical concepts. Show genuine interest by listening actively and asking insightful questions. Be honest and direct, yet flexible in your conversational flow. Sharing your own thoughts and ideas openly will deepen your bond with them. Geminis are known for their dual nature, often balancing multiple interests and moods. Embrace this versatility by understanding their need for both personal freedom and meaningful connection. Support their ever-evolving passions and be open to spontaneous changes in plans. Give them the space to explore their many facets without judgment. This acceptance of their dynamic personality will make them feel truly understood and cherished. To keep a Gemini happy, inject excitement and novelty into your interactions. Plan spontaneous outings, like trying a new restaurant or exploring a different neighborhood. Introduce them to new friends and diverse social settings, as they are social butterflies. Engage in playful banter and share humorous stories to appeal to their witty side. Always encourage their creative endeavors and intellectual pursuits, showing you value their vibrant mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.